So we just finished the clutch pedal assembly there. Painted it. Fuck, that's all I had was silver paint or gray paint, whatever the hell that is. Want to be aluminum. But, you know, it's done. Cleaned up inside bearings, got all the rust off. Used it Evaporo stuff. It's pretty good. Like I said, is it brand new? Pretty close. The guy didn't send me the other piece to that, so I got to take it off the belvedere right now. Go fix that. I think we're pretty close popping this thing in. Steering column's coming next.